Today I'm going to show you the basic purl stitch. The first thing you want to make sure is that your working yarn is in the front of your work. This is your working needle, the right hand needle. This is your needle, your left hand needle, which I call the holding needle because it's holding the stitches you made on the previous row. So take your working needle, slide it under the front leg of the first stitch on the left needle, but in front of the left needle. Then take your working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise around your right hand needle. Scratch the belly of your left hand needle and slide the stitch off the left hand needle. Let me show you that again. Under the front leg of the yarn of the first stitch on the left needle and in front of the left needle is where your right needle should go. Wrap your yarn counterclockwise around the right needle, scratch the belly of the left hand needle, slide the stitch up and off. And one last time. In front of the left needle, under the left leg, the front leg, wrap your yarn counterclockwise or towards your heart because you love knitting. Scratch the belly of the left hand needle and slide it off.